10 cheap cleaning products that work. Walk down the cleaning aisle of almost any store, and you'd think every mess in your house needs its own special product. One for glass, one for grease, one for tubs, one for floors. You know what I mean. Most of these items are overhyped, overpriced, and designed to make cleaning feel more complicated than it really needs to be. Before you know it, you've spent way too much money, and your cleaning cabinet is overflowing with stuff you barely use. But the truth is, some of the best cleaning supplies are also some of the cheapest. They are simple, versatile, and effective. They do real work without the hype, and many of them can be used in multiple rooms and on all kinds of messes. That's what makes them worth having. So here are 10 cheap cleaning products that actually earn their place. Number 1, microfiber cloth. You can use these for dusting, wiping counters, cleaning mirrors, drying sinks, polishing faucets, wiping appliances, and even cleaning glass without the lint that regular rags or paper towels can leave behind. They also wash well and can be reused over and over again, which makes them quite economical. Once you start using microfiber cloths regularly, most of those disposable cleaning products start to feel completely unnecessary. Number 2, melamine sponges. These are one of those supplies that feel almost too good to be true the first time you use them. They're so good at making ugly messes disappear fast. Scuffs on walls, dirt on baseboards, grime on doors, marks around light switches, soap buildup on tubs, even certain stains on sneakers. They can handle a lot. Of course, they are abrasive, so you do need to be careful about the surfaces you use them on, but for the right jobs, they are incredibly effective. For something so cheap, they can save a surprising amount of time and effort. Number 3, wet dry mop with a reusable microfiber pad. Most people think of a wet dry mop as just a floor cleaner, but it's much more versatile than that. Yes, it's great for dust, hair, crumbs, and everyday dirt on floors, but it also works on walls, baseboards, doors, and even ceilings in some cases. That's what makes it such a smart, low-cost supply. It makes big surfaces less annoying to clean. Instead of crouching down to wipe baseboards by hand or awkwardly reaching across a wall with a rag, you can move quickly and cover a lot more space with less effort. Number 4, razor scraper. A razor scraper is a tiny tool that can make a huge difference when you are dealing with stuck-on messes. It is especially useful on glass stovetops, shower glass doors, mirrors, windows, and other smooth surfaces where residue has hardened and refuses to budge. This is the kind of tool that helps you avoid wasting time scrubbing something that clearly needs a different approach. Instead of fighting with baked-on splatters or stubborn grime, a razor scraper can often lift it off quickly and cleanly. It is simple, cheap, and incredibly useful. Number 5, squeegee. This humble tool doesn't always get much attention, but it should. It's fantastic for shower doors, mirrors, windows, tile walls, and other smooth surfaces where water tends to sit and leave spots behind. A quick pass with a squeegee can make surfaces look cleaner right away and help reduce buildup over time. And get this, it can even help lift pet hair from rugs and carpets. Now that's the kind of flexibility that makes a cheap tool worth keeping. Number 6, drain snake or hair clog tool. Okay, this is not the prettiest cleaning supply, but it is definitely one of the most practical. A drain snake or hair clog tool is great for removing hair and gunk from bathroom sinks, tubs, and shower drains before the problem gets worse. A lot of people keep buying liquid products when the real problem is a physical clog that needs to be pulled out. That's what makes this little tool so effective. It gets right to the source. It is cheap, easy to store, and can save you from dealing with standing water, slow drains, and all the frustration that comes with them. Number 7, scrub brushes. These are one of the most dependable cleaning tools you can own. They work on grout, tubs, sinks, faucets, tiles, stovetops, garbage cans, outdoor furniture, shoe soles, and all kinds of surfaces that need more than a quick wipe. Sometimes, the difference between a surface looking clean and actually getting clean is simple agitation. Different brush shapes are useful for different tasks. But even a basic scrub brush can do a surprising amount of work around the house without having to rely on some magical cleaner. Number 8, dish wand. This thing is surprisingly handy all over the house. Yes, it is made for dishes, but it's great for scrubbing sinks, tubs, shower walls, tile, greasy stovetop messes, and even quick touch-ups on certain baseboards or other washable surfaces. Because it has a handle, it helps keep your hands out of the mess, which makes yuckier cleaning jobs feel slightly less unpleasant. Number 9, extendable duster with microfiber head. This is one of those supplies that helps you clean the places you are most likely to ignore. I'm talking about ceiling fans, vents, cabinet tops, high shelves, light fixtures, corners, and awkward areas behind furniture. Dust tends to collect in these areas faster than most people realize. So, when a simple tool can reduce the hassle, you are much more likely to keep up with the cleaning instead of avoiding it until the dust becomes impossible to ignore. Number 10, scouring pads. When a soft sponge is not enough, these are often what get the job done. They are useful for pots, pans, stovetops, sinks, tubs, tile, oven messes, and other durable surfaces that can handle a more aggressive scrub. They're not for every finish, of course, but on the right surfaces, they can cut through buildup far more effectively than a standard sponge. The good old scouring pad is one of those classic supplies that sticks around for a reason. It works. And that's really the theme here. Before spending more money on trendy products that promise the world, it may be worth going back to the basics. A few simple, affordable tools like these, paired with basic household staples like vinegar and baking soda, can handle a surprising amount of the cleaning around your home without the need for a cabinet full of gimmicky items and harsh chemicals. When you build your cleaning routine around supplies that are versatile, reusable, and actually effective, you spend less, waste less, and get more done with less effort. And that's probably the smartest kind of cleaning there is. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments which cheap cleaning supply you swear by the most. For more practical tips like these, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.